Hello everyone, welcome to the Soapy Biz. My name is Natoya.
And my name is Saneth.
And in this video, guys, we are going to show you our soap bases that we use for all of our soaps. So we have 3 different soap bases we're going to show you. I'm sorry, it's out of frame. And Saneth, she is going to explain all of these soap bases benefits to you. And in future videos, we're going to show you guys how to actually use them. We're going to have lots of videos showing tutorials on how to make simple soaps that are great for your skin using 3 different ingredients. Very simple, and that includes this soap base. So I'm going to give it to Saneth, and she's going to talk about the one we use in most of our soaps. Sorry about that. Yeah. This is the goat milk soap base that we use in most of our soaps, the majority. And Saneth's viral turmeric soap.
The reason why we use this soap base for most of our soaps, because this is great for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. And the reason why it's also good for sensitive skin is because it helps with eczema, dry skin, sensitive skin, as I said, or any type of skin condition that causes the skin to be more irritated, etc. It has a lot of hydrating benefits. It helps to reduce irritation, and it also helps to reduce inflammation. The next one is the Shea Butter Soap Base, and this one also has hydrating benefits. It also helps with reducing inflammation, itchy skin, dry skin. Also does not clog your pores, and it helps reduce breakouts on your skin. So if you have breakouts due to acne or any other skin condition, this soap is perfect for your skin. So the third one is our hemp-based soap, and this one is good for psoriasis, eczema, atopic dermatitis. Also good for sunburn, and this is also good for all skin types. But we love this one because it's specifically for extreme skin conditions.
All right, guys, so this was a quick introduction to our 3 different soap bases. And I just want to remind you that these soaps can be made from the comfort of your home. You can make it as gifts. You can make it for your business. We use this in both of our businesses, same exact soap base. And of course, you can make different kinds of soaps. You can make traditional soap bars, massage bars. I even have shampoo bars. So there's lots that you can do. And I just want to remind you guys that in future videos, we are going to show you simple recipes that are great for your skin. And we have all these tools available at thesoapybiz.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we look forward to sharing those recipes with you.
Make sure you subscribe.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.